Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to copy text from LinkedIn step by step in a simple and easy way. So if you've ever wanted to save or share something from a post but didn't know how, this video is just for you. Now, let's get started. Step 1 first, take your phone and open the LinkedIn app. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account before continuing. This helps you access your feed, posts, or messages without any confusion. Step 2, inside the app, scroll down through your feed and find the post that contains the text you want to copy. Tap to open it fully so you can view the entire content clearly before taking the next step. Step 3, please note that LinkedIn doesn't allow you to directly copy text from posts. But don't worry, there's still a way to get the text. What you need to do is take a screenshot of the post where the text appears. This method works perfectly for any public or private post. Step 4. Now open your gallery app and find the screenshot you just took. Tap on the pencil or edit icon and then crop the screenshot to show only the text part you need. After adjusting it properly, save the cropped image. Step 5. Once the image is ready, look for the T icon or the text extractor option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it and your phone will automatically detect and highlight the text from the screenshot. You can then copy all the text or just hold your finger to select specific lines and tap on the copy button to save it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more easy tech tips and tricks every week.